As the compliance officer for a hazardous materials logistics company, John needs to ensure that the company adheres to the latest rules and regulations. And he needs to be able to quickly provide evidence to prove this when needed. Which is why he has decided to digitise existing paperwork and forms using WorkfloPlus. He used the simple drag and drop editor to create a workflow that will capture all information he needs to guarantee all rules and regulations are met. John creates lists to make it as easy as possible for a worker to complete the task. And he also includes decision steps, which will make sure the correct procedures are followed based on different situations they may face. He also includes steps that require photo or video evidence to be taken as evidence at various stages of the process. Away from the office, the digital forms can be completed on a mobile or wearable device by simply following the step-by-step instructions. Wearable devices allow the operator to keep their hands free while the checks are carried out. Each step in the process is time-stamped, with the audio and photo evidence collected when needed in the automatically generated digital audit trail. The PDF report is then instantly sent to John as soon as the task has been completed, providing instant access to all the information he needs to keep track of on-site operations. An integration with a business intelligence system provides an in-depth, real-time view of the company's whole operation, which means issues can be identified before any problems arise. Thanks to WorkfloPlus, John can relax knowing that he has all the evidence that he needs to prove compliance rules and regulations have been adhered to.